How to post text and photo on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Create option from the bottom center of your screen. You will then be required to add a title to your post. So, go ahead and add a title to your post. Further, add the body of the post if required. Now, tap on the Photos option to add a photo to your post. You can then add text, filters, etc. Finally, tap on the Add button. You will then be required to select a community for your post. So, tap on the Select a Community drop-down and then select a community that suits your preference the best. Further, add tags and flair to your post by selecting the most appropriate option. Finally, tap on the Post button to post, and with this, your post with the text and the photo will be posted. So, this is how you can post text and photo on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.